Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I'm Bella Family TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell in case I upload a new video so you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, on this video I'll be doing a very simple makeup tutorial. Okay, so everything I use I'll put them down at the description box. Okay guys, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, and if you have any question for me, please put it down at the comment section. All right guys, see you guys later, bye. So guys, the first thing I will be doing is I will be cleaning my face with this micellar water. Yeah, it's waterproof. I got it from Cravat. Yeah, I think it's about €2 something. Then this cotton wool. Yeah, I got it about €1 something like that. So all I will just be doing is I'll take one, then open, and even if you already take your shower, you still have to clean your face with this before you apply your makeup. Okay. It's very nice. So what I'll be doing is I'll be using edge control to mash my eyebrow. On my last video I used baking soap, but on this video I will be using my edge control, guys. It's very nice. So now I'll be lining my brows. Okay, let's see how it goes, because I've not done this edge control thing before, so let me just see. So guys, I'm filling in my brows. I'm done lining it. I just want to fill it a little bit at the edge. So I'm about to use my concealer to clean the brow as usual. So what I will be doing, I will put a little concealer on the brush, then mash it together so that it will be very straight when cleaning my brows. So as you can see, I'm just lining it, dragging it, lining it, dragging it down, because concealer is very thick. If you don't drag it down, yeah, it will get dried, so it will be very difficult for you to clean, So I use the same concealer I use in cleaning the brows. I use the same concealer to clean my crease area before I put my eyeshadow. So as a beginner, if you can't use concealer, so you can use your foundation. It's almost the same thing. Okay, So I'm just brushing the edge. As you can see, I'm brushing it a little bit. I did not put pressure. I'm just brushing it a little bit. So I'll be using the hot pink. Yeah, so I just put the hot pink at my crease. So I will just be patting it to the full area of my crease. Okay. So I use the peach color at the transition. Okay, so I did not use the hot pink at the transition. I just used the peach color. So I will use the same brush. I use a cleaning my brows. I will use the same brush to cut my crease. Okay. So as a beginner, if you don't know how to cut your crease, just use your normal eyeshadow without putting concealer. You can just use your normal eyeshadow to do it a little bit. Okay. So as for me, I'm still learning. I'm not that perfect in cutting crease, so I'm still learning. So as you can see, I'm just patting it a little bit. I don't rub it, I don't scrub, I'm just patting. I pat it, I drag it down, I pat it, I drag it down. Okay. So I'll be using color white. I'm just patting it just the way I did the hot pink. Okay, I'm just patting it, you know. Now the secret to good eyeshadow is just patting. Okay, you don't have to scrub it, you just have to be patting. So I will be using dark gold at the middle of the white and the pink. So I just decided to add a little gold there so that it will look more, you know, suitable for me. As you can see, the gold is not that sharp. It's just like not too sharp, not too dull. So at this point, I'm not too good at lining my eyes, so I'm not too good at it at all. So I'm just doing it a little bit. I'm still practicing me perfect. So I just hope one day I will be perfect. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, I tried. So this is the mascara I will be using. I normally use this mascara because it's very nice. I love it. Whenever I use it on my natural lashes, it will look so full. So guys, I fix my lashes, my first lashes off camera. Okay, don't worry guys, on my next video I will show you guys how I fix my lashes. So now I'm using my hydrating primer on my face. I normally use this. It's very nice. Okay, so this is the foundation I'm using. Healthy Skin Harmony Miracle Foundation. Yeah, so I love this foundation. It's very nice, the best foundation I've ever got. I really love it. So guys, as you can see, I'm just patting. You know, if you want to apply your foundation to be the best foundation ever, you don't have to scrub, you don't have to draw it, you just have to be patting. So now I'm about to highlight my face. As you can see, I'm just putting it a little bit. I don't want a heavy makeup today, so I just decided to do it a little bit. Okay, so I'm still patting guys. So as you can see, it all blends together. You know, the secret to a good makeup is blending, is the way you blend it. Yeah, so this is the powder I'm using, black opal. It's really nice. I love using this powder. So this is my powder brush. It's very soft, like, yeah. So this is how I put on my powder. I rub my powder. I'm just patting it. I don't rub it, I don't scrub it. Okay, so I'm just patting. So I got this highlighting from Mega Glow, so it's really nice. Love highlighting. This color makes my face looks popping, you know. Yeah, I love it. I love the color. So I just had a little there so that it will look good. So I'll be using this nude color. Yeah, so I just want my lips to look a little juicy, so I don't want to put on a heavy makeup today, so I just want to do it like normal, yeah, like everyday makeup. Yeah, so guys, I'm done making up. So this is my look after makeup. So how do I look, guys? I know I look beautiful. Yeah, so this is the finishing look. I almost forgot to use my my matte spray. I don't know what to call it. So by the time I remembered, so I quickly pick it up and spray it on my face. So this is the look. I love this wig. So as I told you guys before, I know how to make wigs. Like any wig you want, I can make it for you. So if you're interested in beautiful wigs, like braiding, like all type of wig, I know how to make them. So if you're interested, you can leave your comment down below or put your number there. I will add you up on WhatsApp so we can discuss it. Okay, alright guys, let me leave you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.